This jacked Magnus Carlsen lookalike nerd makes 600k per month posting boring videos on YouTube. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you his entire strategy so that you can copy it for your info business. So let's talk about the positioning. And instead of competing with everyone in the e-commerce space, he only helps a very specific kind of person and stands out from the competition. At the very broad level, we have the market, which is the people who wanna make money online and the people who are consuming the mindset self-help content, right? So these are the guys who are like consuming the content from Hamza, Iman Ghazi, Alex Ramosi. It's very like broad business niche, right? And then we have a little bit niche, which is drop shipping. So here we have different models, right? We have agency stuff, we have drop shipping, Amazon FBA, social media marketing agencies, trading crypto, like all of these things, right? Then even deeper, we have AI drop shipping. So you see, he is not helping people who are here, who are just looking for ways to make money, right? These people are unaware, and he is not even helping the people who know about drop shipping because it's too saturated. But he is specifically standing out by having a unique spin on a very traditional model, right? Because we all know that drop shipping is one of the most outdated model out there. It is the most flooded model out there, right? But he stands out by putting a spin on the same model by just having AI in the initials of the drop shipping. And he specifically helps people who are already solution aware, who already know that AI drop shipping works, and AI drop shipping can be the key that they can use to unlock financial freedom. And since AI is in the trend right now, this thing is popping up. And even better, he is specifically working with guys in 20s who are looking for ways to make money on YouTube, and he does that with drop shipping. So if you are in the same market and if you like try to start making the same boring drop shipping content, you are gonna sound like every other guru out there. There are millions of people already making content on drop shipping and you won't be able to stand out. But what you have to do is you have to like niche down. You have to have a unique mechanism, a unique spin on the same model, or you have to bring up some new opportunity which can help you stand out. So you see, the market is same, the market is flooded, but he does that by having a unique spin of AI. And that's exactly what you have to do. And here's exactly how he generates traffic. So first off, we have Instagram. So he has got 150k followers on Instagram, and the main source is the two kind of reels that he does on Instagram. The first one, we have the mindset slash self-help reels, and then we have niche specific problem reels. So he attracts new traffic with mindset content toward his Instagram, consistently adding new people to his funnel. And once they are in this ecosystem, they start consuming his drop shipping, his AI drop shipping content, and then they would start exploring what AI drop shipping is, and they would start consuming content on YouTube, and they would start having these niche specific problems. And then Mark is also like solving these problems for these people. So these are the guys who are already solution aware and product aware. They know that Mark makes money with AI drop shipping and he is the person that they can learn drop shipping from. So when he makes videos on solving the pain points of this niche, they trust him, right? So the pre-existing people who are solution and product aware gets pre-sold with niche specific problem reels on his mentorship. And from his Instagram, he's sending people through a free value funnel, which is like he would tell you on reels to DM you a certain word, and when you do that, you would get a free value, which is either a YouTube video which is unlisted on YouTube, or it is some kind of a sheet to track your revenues, something like that, right? So he's just building so much value, giving away so much for free, building reciprocity, which is one of the psychological rule, right? So they end up working with him, and that is the key. You have to give away so much that they feel like they have to return the favor by working with you. And now we have YouTube, and on YouTube he has 200k subscribers, and the main content buckets are mindset plus self-help and AI drop shipping, but just little broader, and again AI drop shipping tutorials but solving very niche specific pain points. So he would make people attract toward his YouTube through this big TAM of content, which is mindset content. I'm going to show you in a second. And then he would make them aware that how he is making money, and he's making money with AI drop shipping, and then he is solving the pain points. These are the mindset videos that he is making, that any teenager or guy in his 20s would watch because he want to make money, right? These videos, you see, the whole goal of these videos is to attract traffic, attract more eyeballs. And second, we have AI drop shipping. So he says that copy my landing page template, it made me 1.4 million in 30 days. These titles are simple, but still he's talking about making money. He's not talking about mindset. He's talking about making money, but he is keeping the packaging little broader so that more people who want to make money can enter his ecosystem. And he does that brilliantly, right? So you see, these are the make money videos, but little broader to make people enter his ecosystem. And once they are aware of AI drop shipping, and he would mention these very certain words, AI drop shipping or Claude or AI animations, like these are the videos that you would watch if you already know what AI drop shipping really is, right? And his format revolves around just showing the proof in the very intro of the video, which is Shopify, and then simply explaining on Miro boards, which is like keeping videos raw, real, unedited, and simple, right? And he's just posting free content, building again reciprocity for free, so they cannot help but work with him. And that's exactly what you have to do. And from his YouTube, he's sending the people to, three things. The first one, we have a VSL funnel. The second one, we have a newsletter. And third one, we have a Telegram. So when you join his free newsletter, you would get this email, which is a simple welcome email. And you can just choose to model it for yourself if you want to have a banger welcome email. And the main part is the VSL funnel, right? So you see, the free value is also sending the traffic to the VSL funnel. So from Instagram and YouTube, all of the free value is leading to one point, which is the VSL funnel. And we have a simple headline and a form to fill. And when you fill up this form, you would get this VSL in which he sells you on AI drop shipping. And once you fill up this form, you would get this email in which he sells you on AI drop shipping, that most people are unaware, not chase their dreams, but you're not, because you fill this form and you are the action taker. So you just have to just take action and just click here and complete your application. And then second email he sends right away, which is the simple proof, right? So they might have watched him enough, but they might still be like feeling hesitant to take action. So the second email that you get is the proof, right? So here is the obscene amount of proof that he gives away, which makes you believe that branded dropshipping from Mark is the way to go, right? And that's exactly the point. So when you click on this link, you would get this page in which you can just simply fill out the form and you would get a booked call with Mark and his team. And the second email, you would get two things. The first one is again the form that you can fill to work with him. Second, we have a free value in which he explains again for free how you can go from $0 to $1,000 per day with AI drop shipping in 2026. Read our proof, right? So again, he's giving away so much for free that they don't have any option but working with him, right? And that's exactly the most simplest funnel ever, and he makes 600K for that, right? The main takeaway is to stand out, right? Because the people in this drop shipping, it's one of the most saturated niche on planet. So if you can find a way to stand out in your niche, create a new opportunity, you will be having the share of the market, you will be owning the market. And if you want me to help you plug this all in your business so that you can scale to 6 figures and beyond, just click the first link in the description and schedule a call. God bless.